Hello children, welcome to the new chapter in science, that is parts of plants. So you all now are very familiar with different parts of your body, right? You have been learning that for a very long time now, right? So what are the different parts of our body? Can you just recall them? Like hands, legs, head, toes, fingers, stomach, mouth, eyes, nose, and different things. So like that, children, plant's body or a plant body has different parts, and each body or each part of the body has its own function, right? For example, see, what is the function of your hand? It helps us to lift things, right? What is the function of mouth? It helps to eat food and speak. Eyes helps us to see things around us. So in this way, plants also have different parts, and each part in that has its own function, which together help the plant to live and grow, children, right? So let us see and let us go into the chapter. So children, a plant has 6 main parts, children, as you can see in the figure there. So if we come from the bottom, right, the first thing is roots. Every plant or tree has root. Then is the stem, which comes above the ground. Roots always stay inside the ground, where a stem comes above the ground. Then we have leaves, we have flowers, we have fruits, and finally seeds. So these are the 6 main parts of the plants. So there are mainly 2 parts, children. So these are the 6 main parts. So mainly, if you want to see a plant, you can divide it into 2 parts. So what are those 2 parts? Let us see. See, if this is the earth, right, let me show you. Let me take a brown color. So imagine this is the ground, and this is the mud present inside the ground, right? Right. So what do you see? The root part of the plant, right? The root part of the plant is, right, the root part of the plant is inside the earth, right? So it is inside the earth. Right. So the root part, this is the root part, right? The root part of the plant is inside the earth, and remaining whatever part is outside is called as shoot, right? So in this way, a plant body, although we have 6 main parts here, the plant body has 2 main parts. So one is shoot, right? So we can say shoot, we can say part of plant that grows above the ground, right? So this is called a shoot. And next is root. I'll let it this side. Part of plant that grows below the ground. Right, so this is how the plant body has two main parts. Yes, flowers, leaves, so are also there, but two main parts of plants are root and shoot. So root is a part of the plant that goes below the ground, andre mannin kelagade, and next is shoot is a part of the plant that grows above the ground. So in shoot we have again different parts. We have, see, stem comes in shoot, right? Then leaves comes in shoot, flowers comes in shoot, fruits comes in shoot, right? So these are, again, shoot also has many parts. So mainly when you say plant, or when you want to see the parts of the plant, first thing is root, and two main parts are root and shoot. Root goes below the ground, shoot grows above the ground. Fine. Then the shoot consists of, again, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruit. So if you go on writing, shoot contains again stem, right, branches, leaves, buds, flowers and fruits, right? So these are some parts that shoot of the plant contains. So what is shoot of the plant? Shoot of the plant is a part of the plant that grows above the ground. Fine. So this is about shoot. Next, let us see root. Children, there are two main types of root. So root is underground, it grows under the ground, right? So this is how a root looks, right? It is a part of the plant that grows under the ground in the soil, right? So children, there are mainly two types of root. So they are, first one, tap roots, and second one, fibrous roots, right? There are two main types of roots. So they are tap roots and fibrous roots. So let us see one by one. See, the first thing is tap root. Tap root looks like this, as it is in the diagram that is shown here. So when what does a tap root mean? The main root grows from end of the stem. So what happens if I draw a plant like this, right? Imagine this is a plant, this is your ground, right? The plant has leaves, right, like this. So when main root grows from end of the stem, so this is the end of the stem. No, the stem ends here at the ground. From here, one single main root grows inside the ground, like this. One single main root will grow under the ground. So the tap root means when a main root grows from the end of the stem and many small roots grow from the main root. So this is a main root which grows directly below the stem. There is only one main root. So from this main root we see another small roots growing by the side, like this, in the soil. So this type of root is called as type root. So I will repeat once again, children. This is a root, this is a type of root where the main root, right, this is a main root, right? I can say this is this one, the white one in the this one is a main root. This is the main root, children. So what we can do or how we can remember taproot? A taproot is a root in which the main root grows from the end of the stem and small roots grow from the main. These are all small roots, no? Right? These are all small roots. Small roots grow from the main root. So this type of root is called as taproot. So examples for taproot, right? So we can say mango tree, next hibiscus plant, right, have tap roots. Fine. So these are some of the examples of tap roots, children. Next, the another type of root as we discussed was fibrous roots, right? Fibrous roots. Fibrous roots means when, let me draw and show it to you.